What? Sex machine. Not my baby. Be a me, bitch. Ha. Young moolah crazy. What up, though? Killer Cash moolah baby. Hey. What up, though? Ratchet. Yeah, so I was like, turtle. Ratchet. The fuck? Get out of here. Oh. Hey, this beat banging, don't it? Beat still ain't dropped yet? Yeah. Well, how you gonna kill it, nigga? Feel like 30 seconds in the song, nigga? I don't know. What up, man? Okay, let's slow. Oh, just go. Ratchet. Just go. Go. Killing beats my hobby, B. Call me young moolah baby. Working on my first Mercedes. Being OG got me going power crazy. Kill them all, make them suffer, long and painful. Not that short stuff. Making ladies blunt, blazing, vodka sipping, Stacy dripping. I'ma hit it, watch her lick it, bust a nut and then I'm dipping. Dirty birdies, gotta flip them fast. Listen, watch the language, wanna be a me chick. Well, it's kinda dangerous. Cock and aim it, then you bang it. Let them have it. Don't be selfish, double tap it. Hit them in their Santa basket. Tell they mama close casket. Nigga, I get super ratchet. Murder your granny with a hatchet. Do it for free, no question asking. I'm a selfish king, I want it all. Tax season, time to pay up. Money mix, if you owe me a penny, better pay it. Oh my god, it's gonna have to slay it. I'm a player, you're a hater. Wouldn't even give you the time of day. Looking for the time you got. Beef meal. Oh, they really hit the spot. Lick a shot, open shot, caught a pop. Time for young moolah to drop. Bad habits die slow, but I'll never let them go. Show to show, or dough to dough. I get that dough, throw to blow, dough to throw. Buying up the liquor store. Take your wife, treat her right, then I tell her good night. Night, night.